Hello everyone, it's Kelly Driver here. Welcome back to my art channel. Thank you very much for joining me today. The work that I'm going to do today is different from my normal videos. I'm reusing a canvas that was from a painting that I just wasn't enjoying, and I decided to sand back the canvas and put some gesso over the top of it. So reusing a canvas, but because it's not entirely smooth base, I'm not doing an acrylic pour. So I'm going to do a painting today. I haven't really got much of a plan, except that I know I want to do pinks. So I'm going to just do a base with some pinks on it and take it from there and see where I end up. And I've got my fingers crossed that we'll come out with something different, unusual and fantastic. So ready to have a go. Right, we're going to do some blending. I have no idea what I'm doing yet. It's just coming to me, but I've just got this idea of doing a blended background with pinks, and then we'll see where it takes us next. So I've just got a yucky old canvas with a fail on it. So we're just gonna give it a paint and see what happens when we blend in the colors to each other. Oh, I like these colors. And I'm applying the paint nice and thick to try and cover up the uneven surface underneath, because I don't want to throw the canvas out, but I was absolutely not happy with the painting that I had on there, and I decided it had to go. So, and this already is more to my liking. Okay, well, this is the end result and I absolutely love it. I love it. So I hope you do too. I'll bring you down for a close-up. Okay, so here's, I'll just zoom in for a few little, it's very abstract. For those of you that struggle with it not being conventional, this may not be your cup of tea, but I'm really digging it. I've just thought I'd bring you back for a final little video. After the painting dried, I decided that I needed to change a couple of things on there, and so this is the final result. There was some changes up the top here. I made some up there, and I like the layout of it a little bit more now, and you can see the lovely pearl colours coming through over here, which is really fun. And although there is pearl all over it, but on this angle you can see it there. And now it's ready for varnishing, so I'm very excited with the final result, and I'll see you next time. Bye.